Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Miele app. So let's get started. So to download and install the app, you have to follow this instruction. So the first is to open your Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are Apple user, okay, or you can use your search button also. So here I am using the Google search, okay. So here I will just click on here and I will directly search for the My Glay app. So here we can see my Glay app, smart home. Just click on here, okay. Then here you have to click on this app here, okay. Just open it here. So download and install. Just click on the install button, and it will directly, like automatically, download and install the app into your phone. And if you want any complaint like to register, you can just contact their developers from here also, and you can read the review. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.